Now Foods' vast product line is made at our state-of-the-art manufacturing facilities. With a staff of approximately 800 employees across North America, we're making products for you 24 hours a day. Every step of the way, we employ the principles of good manufacturing practice, or GMP. The process begins by gathering all of the ingredients needed to create a specific Now Foods product.
It starts off with a batch ticket being printed, which is our recipe. It gets verified at the warehouse level first. They verify all the ingredients, labels, packaging. It makes it to the staging area for production, where QC will come in and verify. The final step is it enters the production area where the operators verify the ingredients, label, bottles, packaging, etc.
Because we want to ship only the freshest, most potent products, we use an advanced inventory management system to ensure that all of our ingredients are used on a first-in, first-out basis. Raw ingredients come in many forms, such as liquids, powders, and oils. When a complete set of ingredients for a particular product are ready to go, they're blended and mixed precisely to achieve the correct formulation. Some Now Foods bulk products are ready for packaging in this state, but others need to be made into a form that you can more easily use. Specialized machines called encapsulators seal ingredients in a two-piece capsule. With multiple machines, we can produce thousands of capsules each minute. Our Canadian facility features a number of lines in which products are carefully bottled and packaged. Precise equipment counts out exactly the right quantity. Containers are labeled and safety sealed, certified for compliance, and boxed for delivery.
Quality is involved in three different parts. The first part is in regards to batch release and line clearance, which is checking the materials for production, verifying the sanitation and cleaning of the equipment.
Many different formulas are manufactured each day based on what customers are demanding. Between manufacturing runs, each piece of equipment is carefully and thoroughly cleaned. Our quality assurance team follows a cleaning verification protocol as part of our internationally recognized HACCP certification program.
Every machine we operate or package on gets fully torn down, cleaned, put back together. During the cleaning, QC will come in and verify, do some swabbing for cross-contamination. Then we'll go ahead and reassemble all the equipment.
The second part is in-process checks. We are making sure that the correct lot codes and expiry dates are being put on the products, making sure that the fills are proper for the products when we're packaging, making sure that we're hitting target weights when we're doing encapsulation. Third part is releasing finished products. Finished product testing, on the natural health product side, we're doing purity, potency, and identity testing. So we'll sample the finished products and check them for label, lot code, and condition.
At every step of the manufacturing process, our goal is to achieve maximum efficiency without sacrificing superior quality. For you, the benefit is simple. It means that our products are the highest quality at the best price. That's only possible because we run one of the supplement industry's most sophisticated manufacturing operations.
We're running state-of-the-art equipment, which allows us to make sure we're getting high quality, safe product out to our customers.